Just hear those keyboards tapping and fingertips rapping too.
Come on, it's lovely weather to have petroleum shipped to you.
Outside the snow is falling, your engines are calling you.
Come on, it's lovely weather for diesel 911 to save you.
Order up, order up, order up online. We'll save you some time.
We'll have you feeling oh so fine.
Order up, order up, order up. It's grand, right from your hand.
We'll guide you through our online wonderland.
Our brands are great and plenty and well informed are we.
We're working hard together like two birds of a feather would be.
Let's shift these drums before us and sing a chorus or two.
Come on, it's lovely weather for PSC to work better for you.
There are equivalents for all your oil needs.
You can find them using our online CRT.
We'll be shipping the pills we love to ship without a single stop.
From PetroleumServiceCompany.com where you can shop.
Shop, shop, shop.
There's a happy feeling knowing that you can buy
lubricants, coatings, and supplies all online.
It'll nearly be like a well-greased assembly line.
These industrial things are the things you know you'll always find.
Just hear those mouses clicking, time is ticking too.
Come on, it's lovely weather to have lubricants shipped to you.
Outside the snow is falling, your gears are calling you.
Come on, it's lovely weather for cold weather hydraulics too.
Woo, yeah! Get it, guys.
Order up, order up, order up right now. Buy some Dow.
Our online resources will show you how.
Order up, order up, order up, it's fast at long last.
You'll find our product selection is truly unsurpassed.
Our store is always open and quality guaranteed.
Visit our website, you'll find everything you need. Let's start and order and work out all details.
You know we're the pioneer of online petroleum sales. Merry Christmas from PSC.
All right.